If you've just bought a new house, the first thing you should always do is change the locks. For one thing, you have no idea how many copies of the keys the previous homeowner has made for friends, family, and other strangers. Those people will still have access to your house long after the old owner is gone. This project can start even before you close on the house. Take an inventory of all the different types of locks in the home. And remember that every entrance should be changed, even back doors, garage doors, and basement doors. When selecting new hardware, look for the code number on the packaging. Two locks that have the same code number use the exact same key, meaning you'll have less keys to keep track of. This will usually only work with two of the same style locks bought at the same time. If you need multiple styles of locks, a deadbolt, a knob, and even a lever, for example, most home centers and hardware stores can rekey the locks when you buy them, so you only have to worry about one master key for every lock in the house. It's very easy to change a deadbolt or a knob on a door, and it only requires a screwdriver to do it. Simply back out the two screws on the inside of the door to remove the interior and exterior portions. On the edge of the door, you have a spring-loaded striker or latch right here for the knob. At the top, you have a latch right here for the deadbolt. There's two screws that hold those in on each one. You don't always have to replace them if you're not changing the finish. To install new hardware, simply reverse the process. Most locks are built to accommodate doors of all sizes, so it doesn't take much to get them to fit. Changing the locks on your doors is a simple project that only takes a few minutes, and it gives you peace of mind in your new home.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.